a mess.
I have an idea. Introducing the new dog vacuum. Not only is it silent, but it picks up not 99.9, but 100% of the bacteria found in most carpets and wood floors. We interviewed real clients using the dog vacuum, and they're telling us how it works so much better in comparisons to the normal vacuum. Jude?
Well, when I first used the normal vacuum, it wasn't working. It was barely even picking up any germs. But then I got this dog vacuum delivered right straight to my door, and it was amazing how much it picked up. 100% is what I heard from the internet. It's just amazing. It gets everywhere, and it's just like so awesome. I want to use it like for the rest of my life.
There you have it. It also comes with free shipping.
This is nuts!
Here, try this.
See what happens when you use this dog vacuum. What an amazing cleanup.
Wow, this is amazing! I can't believe my eyes!
See? What did I tell you?
You must be 18 years or older to order this dog. If you donate a kidney and have $1 million, you will get free shipping. See you later.